Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, hello everyone. Hello, Mister. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Arya Atlan Faik Dalimunte. I'm from class Logistic 1A, and student ID number is 2514500 and 67. So today I would like to present about a visit to Juanda International Airport and explain its important role in aviation, logistics, and especially in supporting the oil and gas industry. So, Juanda International Airport is not only a place where aircraft take off and land, but also a complex transportation and logistics system that connects people, goods, and industries across Indonesia as one of the busiest airports in the country. Juanda has a major responsibility in maintaining efficient operations, safety standards, and cargo distribution. Through this presentation, I will explain the airport's operational structure, passenger facilities, cargo and logistics systems, safety procedure, and also the challenge faced by the airport management. I hope this presentation can help us better understand how airport logistics work in real operation and why airports are very important for economic and industrial activities. Next. So I will explain a little about background. So Juanda International Airport is strategically located in East Java and serves as the main gateway to Surabaya and surrounding region. Because of this strategic location, the airport handles millions of passengers and a very large amount of cargo every year. Juanda is also considered one of Indonesia's most important aviation hubs. It connects eastern Indonesia with many major cities such as Jakarta, Balikpapan, Makassar, and international destinations. In the oil and gas sector, the airport plays a critical role because many industrial materials, spare parts, and operational equipment are transported through air logistics. This allows companies to move urgent goods quickly and efficiently. However, managing airport operation is very complex. The airport must coordinate airlines, passenger, cargo companies, customs, immigration, and security agencies, while maintaining safety and operational efficiency at all times. Therefore, Juanda International Airport becomes an excellent example of modern logistics and transportation management. Next. Okay. The objective of this presentation are divided into three main points. Okay, first, to understand the operational structure of Juanda International Airport. This includes how the airport manages terminals, aircraft movement, passenger service, and cargo operation. Second, to identify important process in airport logistics. We will know passenger flow, baggage system, cargo handling, and supply chain activities that support airport operation. Third, to highlight the safety and compliance standard implemented at the airport. Safety is the highest priority in aviation, so the airport must follow national and international regulation to ensure secure operation. By understanding this objective, we can see how airport combine transportation, logistics, technology, and safety management into one integrated system. Next. Now, before entering the main discussion, here is the outline of today's presentation. First, I will introduce Juanda International Airport and explain its general profile. Second, we will discuss terminal and passenger facilities, including airport service and transportation system. Third, I will explain cargo and logistic operations, especially their role in industrial and oil and gas supply chain. 4. We will examine safety and compliance standards that ensure secure airport operation. And finally, I will tell challenge faced by the airport and the lesson learned from this visit. So next, nah, now let's move to the introduction to Juanda International Airport. Juanda International Airport, also known by the airport code SUB, is located in Sidoarjo, East Java, around 20 kilometers south of Surabaya city center. The airport is managed by PT Angkasa Pura and serves as one of the most important transportation hubs in Indonesia. Juanda has two main terminals. Terminal 1 is used mainly for domestic flight, while Terminal 2 handles international flight and some premium domestic service. The airport covers an area of more than 300 hectares and handles over 20 million passengers annually. This makes Juanda the second busiest airport in Indonesia after Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Besides passengers transportation, the airport also supports industrial logistics, especially for the energy sector and oil and gas activities in eastern Indonesia. This shows that the airport has both economic and strategic importance for national development. Next. Okay, now the terminal and passenger facility. Terminal 1 is designed for domestic flight and can serve up to 8 million passengers every year. The terminal is divided into T1A and T1B sections to improve operational efficiency and passenger flow. Terminal 2 is used mainly for international operation. This terminal provides modern facilities such as immigration service, customs area, duty-free shops, restaurant, waiting lounge, and digital information systems. The airport also has efficient baggage handling systems and organized boarding gates to reduce passengers congestion. On the airside area, Juanda provides contact gates and aircraft parking stand capable of handling large aircraft operation. For ground transportation, passengers can access taxi, bus, ride-sharing service, and airport transportation links to the city center overall. The facilities are designed to improve comfort, efficiency, and passenger experience. Next. Now, I will explain the cargo and logistics operation at Juanda Airport. The cargo terminal handles more than 100,000 tons of heads annually. This includes industrial products, food supplies, medical equipment, and perishable goods. The airport has dedicated cargo warehouse equipped with temperature-controlled storage for sensitive products. One of the most important functions of Juanda Airport is supporting the oil and gas supply chain. The airport helps transport drilling equipment, machine components, and urgent spare parts needed for operational activities. Because some cargo materials are hazardous, the airport follows EATA Dangerous Goods Regulations or DGR standard. Specialized staff are trained to handle hazardous material safely and correctly. In addition, the airport uses real-time cargo tracking system and customs clearance technology to improve efficiency and minimize delays. This integrated logistics system helps industries maintain operational continuity and supply chain reliability. So next. Nah, safety is one of the most critical aspects of airport operations. So, Juanda International Airport follows ICAO standards and regulation from Indonesia's Directorate General of Civil Aviation. The airport operates airport rescue and firefighting unit, or ARFF, 24 hours of a day. These emergency teams are required to respond rapidly to incidents within approximately 3 minutes. Regular safety training, emergency drills, and operational audits are conducted to ensure staff readiness. The airport also use advanced security systems such as CCTV monitoring, baggage X-ray scanner, and restricted access control. And aviation security teams, or AVSEC, is responsible for protecting passengers, staff, aircraft, and cargo from potential threats. These safety and compliance systems are essential to maintaining trust, operational reliability, and international aviation standards. Next. Although Juanda Airport operates efficiently, it still faces several challenges. One major challenge is managing high passenger traffic during peak holiday seasons such as Lebaran and Christmas. During this period, airports experience increased pressure on facilities, staff, and flight schedules. Another challenge is coordinating multiple stakeholders including airline, ground handlers, immigration officer, custom, and logistics company. So, infrastructure maintenance is also important, especially because some facilities in Terminal 1 are aging and require modernization. Environmental sustainability has become another growing concern. The airport is currently exploring renewable energy solutions and waste management programs to reduce environmental impact. From these visits, an important lesson uh, learned is that successful airport logistics requires strong coordination, advanced systems, trained personnel, and a strong safety culture. Without these elements, airport operations will become inefficient and risky. So, in conclusion, Juanda International Airport plays a very important role in Indonesia's transportation and logistic network. The airport connects East Java with domestic and international destinations while supporting industrial and economic activities. Its modern passenger facilities and organized operational systems allow millions of passengers to travel efficiently every year. In addition, cargo and logistics operations at Juanda support critical sectors such as oil and gas, manufacturing, and trade. So, strict safety standards and continuous improvement help maintain reliable and secure airport operation. Moving forward, infrastructure development and sustainability initiative will become important factors in supporting the airport future growth. So that's all from my presentation. I'm sorry if I make mistake. So thank you very much for your attention and good night. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.